Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the shortcut command to browse for extensions in Visual Studio Code. So we can browse for extensions by using the view extensions command, which is Control plus Shift plus X. So Control Shift plus X. This will show you the list of the most popular Visual Studio Code extensions on the Visual Studio Code Marketplace, as well as the extensions that you have already installed on your system. And each extension here in the list includes a brief description, the publisher, as well as the download count and a 5-star rating. And you can select the extension item to display the extension details where you can learn more. All right, so this is how to browse for extensions using the view extensions command for Visual Studio Code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.